Alright, the following video clip you're going to see is with the 11-inch coil, not the 9-inch coil. I misspoke in that video clip, okay? Over that colonial nail and nickel. Alright, boys, Deus version 200 9-inch coil. You see that colonial nail and nickel? We're only going to look at go field program on this machine. Go field IAR3. Everything else stays bone stock. Reactivity 2. Audio response. Everything stays stock. We just moved the IAR to a level 3. We'll transition over here to dive program. Auto scan is off. There won't be any frequency changing going on in the go field. You hear that? Iron tone coming down the barrel of that nail and that nickel. See that 1 in the meter. I transition to deep high conductor, come back to go field. You hear that? I'm going to transition now to the dive program and come back to go field. You hear that? I'm going to transition to Deus mono and come back to go field. Quite the difference, huh? Now we're going to raise the disc IR up to 4. We're going to transition to dive program and come back and look at this go field. Disc IR 4. All iron tone, okay? Transition to Deus mono. Come back to go field. You hear that? Now we're going to transition to dive program and come back to go field. Okay, now we're going to transition back to, well, I transitioned all the way back to a save program. It doesn't really matter. What do we get when we get back to go field? You hear that? Alright, we're going to transition over here to beat sensitive and come back to go field. How about that? Okay, so you see go field is behaving sort of mysterious there too. And that's using a disc IR 3 and 4 on that test. Okay? When we go to the beach programs and come back, we get iron tone. When we transition back to the left and then other programs and come back to go field, we get a different sounding result. That's going to conclude the video. This is version 2.00. I think you will see this in version 1.0 and 1.1 as well. Have a nice day.